Hi guys, once again, welcome back to my channel! This has been your Wanderlua, Marilu Desira Clavaria at your service! So I'm gonna teach you tonight how to hide the likes and dislikes, the view ratings, which of all of us doesn't want to see the dislikes, especially during live streaming. We don't really like that. And so I'm going to teach you how to hide the dislikes and the likes of our videos. So without further ado, let's do this! Okay guys, andito na tayo sa ating cellphone. I will teach you now how to hide the view ratings, which is the likes and dislikes, when you come online, like you will come on live streaming. So, pag nagla-live streaming ka and you don't want to see the dislikes, this is what you are going to do. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa cellphone ko. Then you come to open the Chrome. And then after the Chrome, punta ka, open the youtube.com. Okay, lowbat ako. And then, if you are in youtube.com, make sure na naka-desktop ka, desktop site. Yung tatlong dot sa right side, upper part, press mo yon and then you will see desktop site. You're going to check that if you are using an Android. And then now, you see, ito na yon, magla-live ka na. So you go live. Press mo yung go live. And then, here we go. Maglalagay tayo ng title. Afternoon, silent, LS. Then, lalagyan ko ng hashtag. Hashtag afternoon, silent, LS. And then, check mo yung, no, it's not for kids. And then next. And then you choose the thumbnail. I'll choose the thumbnail. So this is what I'm going to use. And then if this is already ready, okay, swipe the upper part and then you have to open a new tab. Open a new tab and then youtube.com again, and then you are going to open your YouTube Studio. Open na yung YouTube Studio mo. Okay. Waiting for the YouTube Studio to be open. And then, open mo ang iyong videos. Then, go to live. Kasi different kasi yung ng live at saka videos mo. And then, puntahan mo yung ginawa mo. You're going to check. And, yan, the pencil here. Yung details. Okay. Now, for you to hide the dislikes and the likes, you have to check this settings down. Settings. And then click the default. And then go to the advanced settings. And then here we go. The users can view ratings for this video. So you don't want to view the ratings. So ito, if you're going to check this one, you will see the likes and dislikes. Now, because we do our purpose in doing this is we don't want to see the likes and dislikes, so we will not check that view ratings. And then you are going to save. Okay. And then punta ka ulit sa balikan mo 'yon. Okay, balikan mo yung ginawa mo kanina. So, this one. And then, you go live. So, yun lang. So, we're now on live. And the good thing is, we will not be able to see the view ratings, which is the likes and the dislikes. So, that's it. Ganun lang. And then, so yun guys, sana nagustuhan nyo at naintindihan nyo kung paano itago yung ating mga view ratings, the dislikes, and the likes. So, kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating video, don't forget to comment down below. And also sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the red button, and also the bell all, for you to be updated every time I will be posting some videos. So, thank you so much for coming. This is your Wonder Luma at your service.